Hello everyone, this is BuyMania. Today, I'm showing you the truck I bought 2 weeks ago, the GMC Sierra 1500 SLT model. It's a pretty impressive truck, right? But just a week after purchasing it, the truck started shaking. Can you hear it? Can you believe the engine failed just 1 week after buying the truck? And every time I started the engine, it made a strange noise. I contacted the salesman I dealt with and told him about the strange noise, but he initially said that it was normal for new trucks. However, I wasn't convinced, so I sent him a video of the noise. He then told me to bring the truck to the service center, so I made an appointment and dropped off the truck. The next day, I received this text message. Good afternoon, confirmed noise coming from passenger side engine bank lifter, parts in stock, and we've been plugging away all day. If no additional surprises come up, you'll have her back Tuesday. I found it hard to believe that something like this happened just a week after buying the truck, and it was very stressful. The lifter issue means the engine and parts need to be disassembled and repaired, which is essentially no different from having a rebuilt engine. Paying $80,000 and having the engine fail after only 1,400 kilometers seriously undermined my trust in GMC. Their response was simply to fix the truck and tell me to drive it again, which felt like they were shifting the problem onto me, the consumer. The truck is not cheap, and now I have to drive it with the risk of future engine problems, which is extremely stressful. The dealership just ordered the repair and told me that the warranty covers it, so if it breaks down again, I should just come back. This response felt very irresponsible to me. I filed a claim with AMVIC and CAMVAP, the automotive arbitration agencies, but if they respond with, the repair is done, so there's no issue, I'm not sure what to do next. I've heard from others with similar problems who had to endure the inconvenience of frequent repairs and eventually replace their vehicles at their own expense. Do you think this is a fair deal? Why should consumers bear the responsibility for the manufacturer's mistakes? Most consumer goods, including electronics and furniture, have a legal provision for refunds or exchanges within 30 days of purchase if there are defects. Why should cars be an exception? This is something that all consumers in Canada should stand together to change. Some of you might think, my car is fine, you just got unlucky. But cars don't last forever. There will come a time when you'll need to replace your car. And if you encounter the same issue, will you still feel it's acceptable? I believe we should all work together to change these unfair policies that hurt consumers. If you've experienced something similar or share my views, please send a complaint email to GMC Canada or your vehicle manufacturer. If we all act together, we can definitely resolve this situation. Thank you for watching.